Are you the best barber in Manila? Best barber in Manila?
Sure, my guess.
Okay. Ang lang po?
Arlan.
Arlan. Nice to meet you, Arlan. Arlan Max. Price. The room is quite smaller, but we have very nice rooftop. Oh, so many solar panels on this roof. Yeah, I wonder what that is. But they are very smart, having solar panels. So that's the last LRT, right?
Yeah.
Last station, Antipolo.
Opo.
Guys, we are in the rooftop of the hotel. Although the room was not as I expected, you know, because Red Doors are usually known for their good prices and also having a good facilities, you know, because I have also stayed in the Red Doors before. They had quite good facilities, was good, you know, the room was bigger for the same price. But this time for the same price, the room is quite smaller, but we have very nice rooftop of the LRT going towards Antipolo. It's not very old. I think it's been just 1 year. But this side of Manila is actually the more greener. You know, it's a little bit outside of the city. It's still inside the city, but it's not in the city center of the Manila, which I like. I don't like the city centers like Makati, Malate, that area. There's usually a lot of traffic, a lot of people, and yeah, I like the greenery. And you can see down far there are mountains. You can see there are mountains. We have been staying in the mountains past year, but let's see if we can have a time to go to the mountains this year, because last year we stayed, it was December, it was not quite the weather, it was windy, and the weather was not very nice. But this year hopefully they have a better weather, and see if we can stay there. Yeah, we have ordered the food, breakfast. Let's see if it is arriving. Yeah, he should be here in a few minutes. My love, what do you think of the rooftop?
So nice.
So nice. Yeah.
Opo.
Do you want to eat here in the rooftop, or do you want to eat in the room?
Here.
But we don't have a chair here. Where do you want to stay?
I saw one chair and then at the back also.
Okay.
Dry chair.
So we have a place. There's also a dry place chair, I think, there. So we have a dry chair. Do you like the Antipolo, or do you like more where we stayed before, Malate? And
It's nice here when it comes to like a little bit peace.
okay, I think the delivery driver is here. So should we go down, because I don't have a Gcash? Yeah. So you can just Gcash him, because I heard. Can you check my phone? I heard him calling. One of the things that I like about Philippines is that even if you order the food, it's quite cheaper compared to somewhere else, you know. We ordered food for I think 500, 600 pesos, but only the delivery is only 50 pesos. So you don't need to go to the restaurant. It's usually takes time. You have to wait in the line. And yeah, so it's much more convenient. I think this has been a residence place. It looks like it's been a residence place. They have upgraded to a hotel. So the places these rooms that don't look like hotel. Hello, sir. Delivery for Nias? Okay. For yeah, both of you. Are you gonna Gcash for them both? You have Gcash, sir? Gcash? Okay.
95 lang po sa akin.
I thought it would be same delivery, same guy, but two different. Because it's just like same order.
This 540.
Okay, Paul. Just tell your Gcash to my wife. Ano pangalan mo?
Max.
Max.
Yes.
Max. Nice to meet you. Ano pangalan po?
Arlan.
Arlan. Nice to meet you, Arlan. Arlan Max. You work as a Grab delivery driver?
Yeah.
Full time or half time?
Part time.
Part time. What do you do otherwise?
Taking care of my kids and some.
Ah, you have kids.
Yeah.
How many kids?
Two.
Two.
Yeah, so the two girls.
Ah.
Yeah, 1 5 and 1 2.
Beautiful. Very nice. And
you
you?
new here?
Yeah, second day.
Oh, these are.
Second day.
How's the
It's-
Philippines?
Philippines is very beautiful, especially the people. They are very friendly. I like the people. I was here last year, and I got married to my wife. She's Filipino too.
Yeah.
But now I'm back to the Philippines.
Yeah. 09
Thank you po.
0945
45
57
57
87
87
505.
So as you can see, guys, the greenery here in Manila is very nice. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. The greenery is very nice, and yeah, we have at the hotel here that we have is it looks like a private place. So if you come from the entry, you have guards that are checking, who's coming in and who's going out. It feels good because it feels like you are in a residence place and with the normal people. Yeah. Thank you, Max, brother.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you. So yeah. So it really looks like a resident place. It's not public place. Only the owners of these people are living here. So it's nice. Good morning, Paul. Oh, very maganda.
Oh, thank you.
You are
I'm your grandmother.
your grandma? Okay, your grandchild. Okay. Ano gusto? Ano pangalan?
Naya. What's your name daw, Naya?
Maya.
Naya.
Naya. Nice to meet you. Yeah. I mix the ano gusto mo and ano pa amal sa basta ano pangalan mo. I say ano gusto.
And then you're offering the ano. Gusto niya ano gusto mo.
I'm hungry. I'm not gonna offer my food. Yeah, it's hard when you learn new language. So we're going to enjoy the rooftop, right?
Yes.
I think I'm going to leave my jacket because I feel quite warm in this jacket. jacket.
It's getting warm now.
Yeah, should be in Sweden. To wear it in Sweden. Hello, mom. So, take care of them, my love. So I'll just my camera is vibrating. My gimbal, because it does not like to stay on the so it does not like to be leaned on. So guys, this is the I'm going to show you a bit the room also. I mean, the room is pretty. We have everything you need, but we had bigger room for the same price. For the same price and red doors. So our expectation was high when we came here. So that's one of the reason I booked in red doors, because there was other hotel which was near my wife's laundry, but I did this because we were supposed to stay in red doors. But there's no offense to the other things. What's this? Oh, my sister sent me. Yeah. Okay, are we going to the rooftop?
Let's go.
It's good we got both the delivery driver at the same time.
True. Your phone.
Yeah, my pocket seems to be small, so it's good. I have you. You can hold it, right? Yes. See how good it is to have a wife. Instead of 2 hands, you have 4 hands. So I can take the food. She can take my phone. So my love, what's the plan today? What are we going to do? What's the plan today? What are we going to do?
I'm waiting for the reply on SBI.
Okay.
We deliver today and then
Okay.
Cloud9.
Okay. So Cloud9. So we're going to Cloud9, right?
I think there's a tissue.
Where's the tissue?
Don't do like that, my love.
Oh, I thought it was clean. I'm sorry.
There's a tissue here.
Okay, these are the chairs. Let's see if we can find any. My wife did find a dry chair, but they are not clean. So we have to use the tissue. It has been raining heavy.
Where
Should we sit? I don't know. Let's. We can sit here, even though it's wet, but it's fine.
Don't sit there.
Salamat. Salamat, my love. I think we can use this one. This is much more.
It's not yet clean.
It's fine. It's clean enough. So, guys, the sun is there shining in Manila. I like the variety of the Philippines. Even though there are, you know, greenery, there are, you know, trees, but there's also mountains, which is nice. So it can be for everybody if you like. If you like mountains, or you like greenery, or you like big cities, so you have a lot of options. Ready, my love? Okay, let's enjoy our meal.
Yes,
Thank you for sending the money, Gcashing. Like, guys, it's also good to have a generous wife, because she's paying for everything, so everything is free for me.
It's
The opposite. I didn't pay for that. You the one who paid that. So I'm just saying thank you. I think that's the price of that. Oh, look at this guy. We did order from Burger King. I missed burger. And here we have the. This is for you, my love.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
I don't know. I ordered.
Me? I ordered. I don't know what that is. I am. I'm not looking the best. I think we need to go to the barber today.
Okay.
My hair is growing. So guys, we were just going to enjoy our food here. I'll see you in a while. Good morning, Pa. Can I pay for the last night? For the we did buy water, and it was 126. I hope you can. We have only still the 1K. You don't have, because we're gonna need the change for the transportation.
More water.
Okay, we will. Do we have some change you can give us, and then add to the current list, because we need change for the transportation. How much do we need, my love? How much we need for the transportation?
I don't know yet. How much?
Maybe 200, like that. It's fine. 200. If you can give us 200 extra, and then you can get maybe.
I hope it is already open.
Maybe it's open.
Yeah.
Or we need to go to the barbershop. For the barbershop, we
Yeah.
will go, so it will be open.
Oh, you can pay in the barber shop.
But the barbershop, they just take less. So maybe they cannot. I don't know. We just, in case we take 200, maybe 100 is okay. Okay, mama, if you don't have. How much?
200.
200. Okay, okay, that's fine. So maybe you can take this one, and then you can just minus the rest.
Take a picture.
I think they have different rooms, different types of rooms. So maybe we are staying in the cheapest room, because we're cheap. That's why.
I know.
It's okay, mom. If you don't have, just maybe you.
No, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
629.
Okay, thank you.
Store already paid.
Okay,
Thank you. Give me the coins.
okay. You're the coin owner. Mom, do you guys have your own laundry for the laundries like this?
Sir, you can just walk by here. There's a DIY.
Yeah. No, I was wondering for the laundry here, because my wife, she has
baka
a
gusto niyong magpa-laundry.
laundry shop. So we are so near here.
Saan yun?
So we.
Malapit lang. Yan lang sa
Ito lang ako sila papalambre. Dryer lang.
Okay. Halimbawa, yung ano nyo, kayo ba naglalaban ng ano na sarili?
Sila, opo. Meron po kami pinagawa.
They have their own.
Okay, okay. Thank you, mom.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. We were not able to secure the deal. So it's
So cute.
wow. smells so good, fresh in the morning. It's really beautiful and it smells so fresh after it has been it has rained. So I'm looking forward for this beautiful day with my beautiful wife. So yeah. So first we're gonna go to the barber. After that we're gonna go to the waterfall, right? And hopefully in the afternoon we will be having the delivery, so we can deliver to the STI, and they will also see me
Careful, look at
riding e-bike. I will do that.
the way.
Are we going to this side, to the right, to the left?
Right.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Okay.
Kingsville. Welcome to Kingsville, Executive Village. Before
Yeah.
my father, go here.
Why?
We have a pickup.
Here inside the King's Village? You guys have a customer from here?
Yeah, there is a bus.
From here? Still?
This is a residential.
Okay. I think if we run some ads for the laundry shop, we're gonna have more customers. I was planning to have a website, and then we have run some ads, and then hopefully we're gonna get more customers. I think it will work. So we are going to the LRT, or where are we going?
Barbershop.
Barbershop. It was this side or that side? Okay. I'm going to be foggy today. Yeah. So this is Antipolos Mall. I think we have. I haven't been here, right? Have I? Have you? With Ma? Okay.
It's closed, my love.
What's closed?
Really? Barbershop.
Yeah, I mean, we can come.
Maybe there.
Yeah.
Oh, there is a
E-bike?
We can ride with the e-bike.
Okay. This one.
Screenshot.
Screenshot. I saw you. You did a screenshot?
Inulugang tak-tak. Kuya, dadaan
Hello,
ka
sir.
ba sa sige.
This one?
Okay.
Hello, sir.
So,
So this one's taking us straight to the falls, or no? We have to
the bus
commute
is already.
already. Okay. How much is this? Okay, nice. It's cheap. Not that expensive.
Ano? Where's the... Sige lang, kuya. Magkano?
200? To the falls? It's fine.
We will pay the extra.
Extra what?
Because you are talking.
What do you want, my love? You decide. You decide. You decide.
150 na lang, kuya. Okay lang naman kung magpasakay ka.
What does it say?
Ha?
What does it say?
I said it's fine if we
More
take
customers,
another.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine, sir.
It's better.
Yeah.
Maybe there's also people needs.
Yeah, we
needs
can.
to ride.
Yeah, we can also be with the people. You know, we love people. We don't hate people. Maybe you can sit that side if in case some people come, so they can sit here.
There's a book here.
Be careful your phone, my love. So you don't drop your phone. Yeah. This is e-bike or this is
E-bike.
e-bike car? E-bike tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
My love?
This is still e-bike.
Yeah. But people know it as a tuk-tuk.
People in Indonesia or
Yeah, we call it as a tuk-tuk. Are you energized? Have your sleep completed?
come again.
I'm saying that are you energized? Are is your sleep complete?
Yeah.
Hello po.
Francis lang.
Yeah.
I will show you the
Hmm?
cloud.
Okay, is it on the way? Okay, good.
Give me the 100, my love. I will pay right away.
Yeah. Just okay. Okay. Here is.
May congrats lang.
No. Maybe you have a good idea. So now we are going to the opposite side, right? We are not going towards the laundry shop. We are going to the opposite side, right? Okay.
I thought I'm going to be able to go to school like nursing assistant like that.
Mm.
I thought it was just like 1,000 or 2,000 plus.
Mm.
It was 20 plus.
20,000 plus?
Yeah.
I mean, if it's 20,000, it's also fine. Hello, sir. Closed? Closed? Maintenance day. Oh, I come from Sweden to see here. You maintenance day today. I come.
Tuesday to Sunday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
So,
Tuesday, tomorrow.
so tomorrow open, huh? Okay. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, thank you. Where
Thank
are you
you.
from, sir?
Me, Afghanistan.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, but sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll see if I can come tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, sir. See you tomorrow. Okay, guys. So we come all the way here, and we realize that today they are closed, maintenance day. But it's okay. We'll come here tomorrow. So hopefully we can see them. But is there anywhere else we can go, my love? Or maybe we can take a walk. This place is known to be like one of the biggest waterfalls in Manila, right?
It's not biggest.
One of the, or maybe
One of the attractions.
one of the attraction. So do you know any bigger waterfall than here than this? Okay. So we will just walk.
Lots of people going there,
Yeah, maybe there's something. Okay, we'll go.
That is really something there.
There must be something there because many people are coming from the other side. So we'll just check if we can see something there. It may be just an exercise place or maybe a parking space. The people are just maybe a park which people are jogging like Rizal Park.
I know.
It's a little bit far away, right?
Opo, kuya.
Not kuya, ate.
Okay, ate. And I'm your kuya.
Yeah, you're my kuya. So,
Oops! Careful!
happen. Oh, poops. I think it must be very normal here in the Philippines. Maybe normal, but there is, yeah, people do it. There was one time I stepped on the poop in a park, and I didn't see myself. I didn't know myself that I stepped on the poop. And then when I felt like it's smelling wherever I go. It's smelling. I sat on the jeep, and I realized that, oh my God, the jeep is smelling. Why? What kind of people they are smelling poop here? I didn't know it was myself. and then wherever I go, it's smelling poop. I said, what is this for day? Everywhere I go, there's somebody smelling poop. And then I went to the barbershop that day, and it was smelling. I heard they were talking Tagalog. I don't know what they were saying, but I knew that I felt that they were maybe talking about me. And then I realized, oh, it's my shoe. That is poop.
Maybe,
I was so
maybe
embarrassed.
they're thinking that you're pooping on your underwear.
I was so embarrassed when I realized it was me. I was like, oh my God. All the time I was blaming it was somebody else, but it was actually me. So it's good that people are, walking here. It's very green here in Antipolo. That's what we like, to have greenery.
Careful.
Oh, see, the roads are so beautiful. Maybe people are jogging on the other side, this side.
Be careful, love.
The ups and downs.
Be careful, ate.
Okay, kuya. So, yeah. So we are just walking all the way to the other side. We are hoping to find something nice, something impressive. But let's see if we find something.
What did you hear?
Beep.
No, there's more.
No, I didn't hear anything.
Oh, you didn't hear?
No, what's that?
You didn't hear anything
No?
aside from beep?
No?
It's already loud.
What is it that's loud, my love?
Oh,
That's so loud.
just listen to the trees.
Isn't it like
Cute.
there's insects like that? Or maybe the waterfall? What is it?
It's either the bat or
The path.
frog.
Okay. I mean, you can expect that because there's so much greenery here.
Oh, they're just staying here.
Yeah. Many people are cycling. I realized that many people are cycling here in the Philippines. They like cycling because there yesterday also when we were going upstairs, there was many people cycling, and today also we see many people cycling on this road. See there. I think
Can we see it?
what?
Can we take a rest?
Can we what?
Take a rest?
You want to take a rest? Already tired?
Yeah.
Papa, is cycling a big sport in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Oops.
Where are we?
We are here in Robinson's Antipolo. And
Yeah.
now we are going to ride with the bus going to our place.
Yeah, I'm so happy that I have you. Otherwise, maybe I would not be able to commute. I would be able to pay so much for the Grab.
True.
It's benefits of having a wife
Here.
that speaks Tagalog because you can save so much money. You did not let me to speak before. Why did not you let me speak?
So that they will not charge a big charge.
So if I'm paying English, then you'll charge.
Yeah.
Hello
Hear
po.
that?
Okay. Here's the place. Yeah, it's full, already full. Soon I think we'll be able to go. Yeah. We need to go to the barber soon, right? Are we going to go to the barber or are we going to
Going to the barber.
or are we going to sleep at home? Barber? Okay. How much is this bus?
15?
15 for each per person. Okay.
I think so.
That's cheap.
I don't know.
It cannot be a lot. My hair's not looking good, sir. It's not looking good. Very long. You don't speak English? It's okay. I speak a little bit Tagalog. Ano pangalan mo?
June.
June. Okay, June.
Ano gusto mong bukit?
I want skin fade. Yeah, skin fade. Nothing up here. You know, I want it long. Just skin fade here. Yeah. Are you the best barber in Manila? Best barber in Manila?
Sir, my best.
Okay. Your name June? June, right? June. June like the May June, the month June. It's a very good coincidence. In the month June, and we are at the June barbershop. You're working here, huh? Or you're the owner? Working? Working, okay. How long you have been working as a barber? Let me say you
20.
28. 28. Wow. Wow.
1995.
1995. Okay. You close your barbershop? Or you start with your own barbershop and then you close it? And then now you're employee? Employee, huh? Okay. So you have been barber for 28 years. You must be the best barber in Manila. Guys, so let's see how it's gonna turn out, because June has been a barber for 28 years. I think he's the best barber in Manila, so let's see if he's going to give us the best haircut.
Babagay yan sa akin itong paper tube. Ano mo ngayon? Bakit baka manibago ka din?
Hindi naman yan, pero
masyado mahaba.
hindi ka naman mataas. Depende naman sa'yo kasi ayaw mo naman ito. Dito kasi. Hindi pwede naman kasi
Kaya po,
pwede tayo mababa lang.
Guys, we list to be done. We look like a fresh man now.
Pero umakit ako, bumaba ako sa ano.
Thank you, Sir Jun. Just give you guys a quick look for the
wala akong pera sa labas. Nilapang ako.
I think Jun has done a good job.
Basta makaribong ako. Depende.
Can we also just keep this one, okay? And then just shave this one and this one, just only this one, okay? Keep this one, only shave this here. Thank you, sir. I usually keep my beard, but this time I got it shaved. But it doesn't matter because I think it will grow fast again.
Makakamis din last day.
Pero wag mong expect na hindi ko ito.
Ito, may banana ko ito doon, baruya, marioka.
Makain lang kuya. Gusto na eh. Manalig ka, pinatulong ka.
Shooting na talaga ito. Talaga.
Pag ganito sa kayo,
Against na. Medicine?
Yan, sir? Salamat.
Medicine? Ang panahon namin ng medicine. Medicine dati na.
Thank you, sir. Hey guys, I think we do look much better now.
50,000 namin.
We got a clean shave on the side, and then we have shaved some beard in the middle, and mustache. We're looking good. Salamat, Kuya Jun. Okay, my love, can you pay? Thank you for translating, sir. You all are working here?
Yes.
Okay, so boss is not here.
Then,
The boss is not here.
yes, move.
Okay. And you are from Antipolo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I like Antipolo. Antipolo is very green.
What's your country, sir?
Me from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan?
Afghanistan. Do you know Afghanistan?
Yes.
Yeah. Salamat.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you for hello. Thank you. I think we look foggy now. Yeah, I think if you want to go to the barbershop in Antipolo, you should come to the barbershop here. So, so yeah, I actually did not want my beard shaved. I wanted to have save it, but he shaved it, so it's okay. It will grow fast again. Where? Yeah, I think he did. He used the blade. That's why it's bleeding. But it's just small. It will get. It will be. I will be fine. Do you need help carrying? You can carry this.
Okay, now.
Rahmat. Thank you, my love. I'm used to hair oil, so I didn't bring any hair oil from Sweden. But I think we need to buy hair oil so I can use. So maybe next time we can go to Watson.
I think I have hair oil. Organic.
Really?
Yeah.
I think that organic I used last time. I will use that.
Same brand that you buy.
Yeah, I used last time, right?
Yeah, we will just get what that part, right?
Okay. So this is the LRT, guys. You see, they have built their train stations, you know, so way up in the sky. The railways are so much up in the sky, which might be very good, you know, when you are traveling with the train. You have a good view of Manila. So yeah, we wanted to go to the waterfall, but it was closed. But it's okay. We enjoyed our day anyways. Walking. We woke up at in the morning. It's already 9 or 10. Are you hungry? No. I'm not hungry actually. I ate so much in the morning, 2 burgers. So I will be it's a tiny cup.
We'll just take a rest first.
Yeah, we'll take some rest, and then after that we will see what we can do.
Yeah.
Yeah. People here, huh? Found your trick. Were we living here?
What?
Were we living here?
No, there.
There? Not here. Hello, sir.
Kingsville.
Huh?
They're in Kingsville.
Kingsville. So it's
Kingsville Executive.
is it far away? I think it's a little bit far, right? So we have to walk a little bit. Okay. The police is checking, I think. Maybe he got fined. I remember one time we were also sitting in Zamboanga. The police stopped our tuk-tuk.
Not in Zamboanga.
Was it not in Zamboanga? No.
Malate.
Yeah, it was mine, Malate. Hello, sir. Hello. The Filipinos are so friendly, even though you're walking on the way, they're just very kind.
They are asking me if you are vlogging. I said, yeah, you're vlogging.
Okay.
They think that you're a vlogger.
I'm,
Vlogger.
I'm not a big vlogger. I'm just starting.
And I said, yeah.
Okay. If you think I'm a vlogger, then I should be a vlogger, right? Maybe I should post, maybe some people watch. Guys, if you are watching, just comment that I'm watching.
Click and subscribe my channel.
Okay. That one also you can do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just click and share.
Click and share. So this is the normal way of the Filipinos. They are such, hello. They are using the jeep as a way of transportation. It's very cheap. Oh, my hands hurt because of holding the camera up. Soon I have to pause.
Where's the no?
Maybe we have gone wrong. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.